Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi, Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
There's a small gift for you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, Eid Mubarak everybody.
Gaurav, please.
Thank you, thank you.
So how are you?
Oh, very good. Thank you very much for having me over.
Thank you.
It's the other way actually. People invite other people for Eid Dawat. I only said I'm going to come.
Okay.
No, but thank you. So nice of you to have
You're
me.
most
It's our
welcome.
pleasure.
I am very, very, very hungry.
Oh.
My God.
आते ही बोल दिया. So once again, wishing you a very blessed Eid.
Thank you, thank you. Wish you guys the same. You know, it's so amazing to spend Eid with
You
the
know, it's
family.
a very, very special day for us because we are having you here, and
Thank you.
it is one of the best Eid we ever had.
Thank you, thank you. You haven't seen me eat, that's why you're saying this. I'm going to empty your plates
We
completely.
won't let you. And I've been watching your show. You're doing a fantastic job.
Thank you.
Flavors of Ramadan. We do watch it, and we wait for every episode.
Oh, thank you. That's so sweet of you. So, do you see recipes on that and make at home or not?
Yeah, I used to try.
Yeah. Tell me, I heard you've also been on some TV shows in
Biryani.
Kerala, and you're a very good cook.
Yeah.
I was actually going to ask you this. If
Yeah.
she's such a lovely cook, how are you so thin? He doesn't eat at home.
Whatever I make, he eats full completely.
He's
But
blessed.
you know-
He's blessed. It's very good. I'm happy.
But you know, I give true feedback to her.
Okay.
I always, if it is bad, I just tell her.
Has he ever said your food is bad?
Yeah, sometimes.
He has?
Yeah, sometimes. And my father is a good critic about my food.
Or is it? He looks like a man who eats. he looks like me, like a man who eats. Yeah, that's good. That is good. Okay, guys, to be very honest, I am feeling very hungry now. I want to eat. So, should we get to business?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, come. Let's go. Let's go. Come. Okay, where should I be sitting?
Here.
I'll sit here?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just in the middle.
Okay, this looks like an amazing spread, yeah, guys?
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
This Eid I'm spending with your family.
Yep.
I'm part of your family for today.
Definitely.
Okay. Now you have to tell me what is the significance of things that you made on this table
Let's
This-
start with a refreshing drink.
with the jalab.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. And apart from the jalab, this whole menu, how did you decide on this menu?
You know, we belong to Kerala and
Right.
we belong to Calicut. And she is actually from Calicut city.
Okay.
Yeah. And she makes, wonderful biryani,
Okay.
which I like the most.
Yeah, I think Eid, no Eid is complete without a biryani. No matter
It is,
where
yeah,
you
it is.
belong
It
to,
is said to be like
whether
that.
north,
Biryani,
south.
no Eid.
Yeah.
I agree. So great.
But this time we gave the chance to her mom because she makes better.
Yeah.
I have to say.
Wow, I have to shake your hand. You're a strong man.
Even I also agree for that because my mom's make the better biryani.
Really? It's actually always like that, right? Moms always are the better cooks at
Exactly.
home.
Even I got the recipe from my mom only. I learned how to make biryani from my mom only. But whenever she makes the biryani, her biryani will be the better.
Obviously. So we've got the better biryani today.
Yeah, of course, yes. But
Okay.
we'll come to the biryani later.
Okay.
Let's start with the starters.
Starters.
Okay, yes.
Cutlets and kebabs here.
Yeah.
Okay, so what cutlet is this?
This is beef cutlet.
This is beef cutlet?
I
Okay.
made this one.
Here I go. Okay.
In Kerala, on Eid, we give more importance for biryani as well as we give more importance for our snacks. You told you came to Kozhikode.
Yeah.
So in Calicut, we have lots of snacks, Malabar snacks. So on Eid, we prepare a table complete of snacks in the morning.
So okay, snacks are very important part of this. Okay.
Like biryani, the snacks is also very important.
Super. So we will also give importance to all the starters that you have made.
Yeah.
Okay, so we had the beef cutlet. What is this?
This is shami kebab.
Okay, I'm going to pick one. Guys, come on. Feel at home. You guys also. Eid Mubarak to everybody.
Eid Mubarak.
Okay.
Crispy.
Beautiful. You made
Thank
this
you.
beautiful. Oh, I love it.
Now I'm going to introduce the authentic dish from my place.
Okay, let's go for it.
I'm really lucky to have this because only in some places in Kerala we make these two dishes.
Oh, okay.
And one of them is mine.
Wonderful. So what is this?
This is Erchi Pattiri.
Erchi Pattri. Okay, so this is filled in with chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So this is almost like in North India we do a gujia, which is sweet.
Something like that.
Yeah,
But
which is
here
sweet.
the sweet is
Yes,
coming.
yes.
Yeah, this is the sweet is coming. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is this? Looks like almost like a cake. What is this?
This is chatti patri.
Erchi patri,
This is
chatti patri. What
We
is
have lots
patri?
of patris.
Yeah, what is patri?
Actually, we used to make chapati, right?
Right.
And we make lots of dishes with that chapati.
So chapati is patri, is it?
Yeah, that is patri.
Oh, now I know. That's why in
Yeah.
Hindi, when a girl and boy are going to get married, they say inki patri milao. Basically, it means the girl should be able to make chapati. I got it now. Okay. I'm sure I will like it, and I will take more.
You can see those layers, you know. This is,
So that's all the patri.
yeah.
Yeah,
This you said has 8 layers.
8 layers here.
So there are 8 layers of chapati, and it's filled with what?
Sweet egg scrambled.
Sweet scrambled
Yes.
egg. Okay, now this definitely is something that I have never had before.
So how's it?
Oh, I love it. It's amazing.
It's kind of sticky, right?
Yeah, it's sticky, it's gooey, plus, the nuts are giving it a very nice bite. I love this.
Okay.
As if ever anybody said you can't eat 8 rotis at one go, you can say you can. What do you call it? Chatti patri.
Chatti patri.
Chatti patri. Okay, it's time to try the speciality that she's made for us. It's the irchi patri. Irchi actually means beef. However, in this case, it's chicken here, and patri, like we all know now, is roti. So now this is actually मैदे का रोटी यानी कि refined flour की एक छोटी सी गुजिया टाइप बनी हुई है. उसके अंदर filling है. And if you take a look at the filling, this filling is very very simple. So it's got onions, it's got chicken, it's got curry leaves, and ये ginger garlic paste में थोड़ा सा बनाया हुआ है. That's it. So it's basically very simple, and then it's put into this and deep fried. Amazing. I love it. Wow, that's a beautiful thing. So this is turning out to be an Eid with a difference. Normal खाना ईद का जो popular खाना है, जो restaurants में मिलता है, वो हम हमेशा खाते हैं. The idea of doing this was to come to a house to try, what people have been having for years together. I am so glad I've discovered a few new things, and the best part is that it tastes yummy. Thank you. So this is of course the hero of the table for this Eid celebration. This is the Malabar mutton biryani. Now what separates regular biryanis from the Malabar biryani is the kind of rice that they use. Now this is a generally very naturally fragrant sort of rice that they use. It's called the Jeera Kashala or the Kaima rice. So this is actually, if you go to see, this is short grained and thin textured rice, and the mainstay of course is still that the rice in itself is flavored. You can smell it's a fragrant sort of rice, and I can get the fragrance when it's also gone through some masalas and the mutton. So this looks absolutely yummy. Thank you very much for making it, and here's the first bite. It's beautiful. I love Eid. Eid should happen every day. It's beautiful. Thank you very much. So while this Eid party still continues, everybody is eating and so am I. I've got my dessert in my hand as well, but I think this needs a break because I still have to finish what I have on my plate. So while we continue with this Eid party, here's wishing all of you a very very happy Eid. आप सबको ईद बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. आई होप जितना मज़ा हमें फ्लेवर्स ऑफ रमज़ान बनाने में आया है, उतना ही मज़ा आपको ये शो देखने में आया हो. प्लीज़ हमें बताइएगा कि आपको हमारा ये सीज़न कैसा लगा. डू लेट अस नो व्हाट यू थॉट अबाउट द ट्विस्ट दैट वी गॉट एज वेल. एक एपिसोड में आप लोग हमारे स्टूडियो आए, एक एपिसोड में मैं आप लोगों के घर आया हूँ. अगली बार भी हम कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें करेंगे, पर उसके लिए आपको करना पड़ेगा 1 साल का इंतज़ार, एक और रमज़ान का इंतज़ार. तब तक के लिए ईद मुबारक और खुदा हाफ़िज़.
It's a K Company production.